In this video, you'll learn how to set the form shadow when using the Contact Form 7 plugin. We're going to achieve this functionality by adding CSS. As you can see, I've already created a contact form here using the Contact Form 7 plugin. We'll now add a shadow to this contact form. Before starting this tutorial, you only need to install two plugins named Contact Form 7 plugin for creating contact forms and the Custom CSS JS plugin. I've already installed and activated them, but if you need help installing and configuring the Contact Form 7 plugin, or if you want to learn how to create a contact form using the plugin, we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. Now, let's configure the plugin and add CSS. Hover over Custom CSS and JS and click on All Custom Code. Now, let's add the existing custom code snippet. You can see the code to add background and the border has already been added over here. I've created videos where you can learn all about adding background and border color to a contact form. Now, to add shadow, let's add a code over here. This code adds a box shadow. I'll mention the code in the description and you can get it from there. Once done, simply update the code snippet. Don't forget to activate the code. Once done, let's now move back to form and check the code in action. On refreshing, you can see the background color, border, and shadow have been added to this contact form. Now, in case you want to customize the box shadow and fetch the relative code, you can simply visit a website named CSSmastic.com. I'll mention that site link in the description, and you can get it from there. This is the ultimate CSS tool for web designers. Simply click on the box shadow here, and you can see various options here which you can use and customize the box shadow. You can see the code here and the box will be customized as you make the changes. You can set the horizontal length of the shadow, vertical length, blur radius, spread radius. You can also select the shadow color from here. You can set the background color, box color, etc. Once done, simply copy the code from here and replace it with the code here, like this. Now, update the changes. And moving back to the contact form and refreshing the page, you can see the box shadow in action here. This is how easy it is to set the form shadow when using the Contact Form 7 plugin in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.